Ladies and gentlemen, as things start to happen where the transition to Nogi is getting ready to be working throughout the course of the day, let's make sure that you understand what your uniform requirement is. Man, you will wear a board style short that is mid-thigh or longer. You can wear yoga pants underneath if you would like, but you will have on board style shorts over them. Thank you.